Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your health and fitness in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing powerful daily fitness tips, smart exercise hacks, and natural ways to build a healthy lifestyle that you'll actually enjoy. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for fresh inspiration, these strategies will help you stay fit in 2025 and beyond. Before we dive into workouts and diet, let's start with mindset, the foundation of all lasting change. Too many people quit their fitness habits because they expect overnight results. But here's the truth. Fitness is a journey, not a sprint. Instead of focusing only on weight loss or six-pack abs, focus on progress, consistency, and how you feel. Motivation is important, but habits are even stronger. When you create small, sustainable routines, your health naturally transforms. Here's a quick fitness hack. Pair a new habit with an old one. For example, if you make coffee every morning, do 10 squats while it brews. These little actions build momentum and keep you on track. Now let's move into daily fitness tips that you can start today. First, move every hour. Sitting too long affects your posture and energy. Stand up, stretch, or walk for 2 minutes every hour. Second, hydration matters. Drinking water before meals not only aids digestion but also keeps your energy high. Third, sleep is non-negotiable. Recovery is just as important as exercise, so aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Fourth, track progress, not perfection. Write down your workouts or use a fitness app to see growth over time. And here's a simple reminder. Fitness doesn't need to mean a 2-hour gym session. Even a workout for beginners, 15 minutes of bodyweight exercises, can change your energy for the entire day. Okay, let's talk workouts. If you're new or just getting back into fitness in 2025, keep it simple and effective. Here's a beginner-friendly routine you can do at home with zero equipment. Warm up with arm circles, marching in place, and light stretching for 3 minutes. Then repeat the circuit twice. 10 squats for legs and glutes, 8 push-ups for chest and arms, modify on your knees if needed, 20 jumping jacks for a cardio boost, and a 15-second plank for core stability. This entire session takes about 10 minutes but builds strength, endurance, and confidence. As you grow stronger, increase reps or add light weights. Remember, consistency beats intensity. It's better to do 10 minutes every day than a hardcore 1-hour session once a week. Now, exercise alone isn't enough. To truly stay fit in 2025, you need a healthy lifestyle that supports your fitness. And the biggest piece of that puzzle is nutrition. Here are some fitness guide tips for food. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Plan your meals in advance. Meal prep reduces stress and helps avoid unhealthy choices. Snack smart. Instead of chips, try nuts, fruit, or Greek yogurt. Practice mindful eating by slowing down, chewing well, and actually tasting your food. Here's a simple health hack. Keep a large fruit bowl visible in your kitchen. When healthy food is easy to grab, you're more likely to make better choices. So what's new in Fitness 2025? We're seeing a big shift toward functional training and natural movement. Instead of only chasing big muscles, people want to move better, live longer, and prevent injuries. Adding activities like yoga, Pilates, or even walking outdoors balances your fitness. You don't need fancy machines. Your body is the best gym you have. And don't underestimate the power of recovery. Foam rolling, stretching, and mindful breathing are becoming just as essential as lifting weights. Finally, let's talk about motivation. Everyone feels stuck sometimes. But here's what keeps you going, a clear why. Why do you want to be healthier? More energy for your kids? Confidence in your own skin? Longevity? Write down your reasons and remind yourself daily. And remember, motivation gets you started, but fitness habits keep you going. If you slip up, don't quit. Just get back on track with your next meal or next workout. Because at the end of the day, health and fitness are not about perfection, they're about progress. And every small step adds up. So there you have it, your complete fitness guide for 2025. From daily fitness tips and workouts for beginners to smart nutrition and lifestyle hacks, you now have everything you need to stay fit, strong, and healthy this year. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's ready to start their wellness journey. And tell me in the comments, what's one new habit you'll commit to this week? Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, stronger you in 2025.